Throughout the Teckentrup installation manual, you'll see there's a series of instructions that talk about how to load the spring tray with the springs, the pulley, clips, lubrication, actually fit the spring tray covers and clips. We now offer a preloaded spring tray. This means it's already taken care of. One less thing you need to worry about on site. With our preloaded spring tray system, you can see the rope is now already fitted, the spring tray covers fitted, so are the clips. Everything's already done for you. It's quite clever. These ropes now can't get twisted. They're held in place by our anti-twist bracket. That's secured by this brown tape. We leave that on for the time being. This QR code means that you can scan it, it'll take you straight to this video, and give you all the hints and tips that you need to fit the rope. With the preloaded spring tray system, installation's only slightly different. We'll take these cables here and remove the cable side that's holding them in place. Once removed, we can pop them over the back, out of the way from the side. We then take the lifting cable and feed it up and over as normal, ensuring there are no further twists in the cable, and put it on the large pole here. Once on and in position, we use the securing nut and bolts to hold it in position, whilst we then focus on the other two cables and feeding them through and securing them. So now we're on to stationary cables. We can see they're coming out at the top of here, making sure there's no twisting once again. Feed them over the back, down in between the actual track and the frame leg, and feed that through. Now they're in position, we'll use our rope holder. These are handed, so this is from the left side of the door, and we can see that the high side is on the right hand side. This is the way that we want it to go. We feed the cables onto the rope holder. And once done, we pull down to the appropriate tension and hook it in to the punched hole. Once hooked in, you need to remove the anti-twist plate. There's a hole in there to help you with a quick machine reach to pop it out. Firstly, we remove the brown tape. Once done, pop our spanner in, leverage it out, and then simply twist out of position, meaning the door not bang on the cables, and we're good to go. The pre-assembled spring tray solution also